Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video, what we are going to discuss is something different. We are going to discuss how do we make a weekend report. Okay. So for the underground traders group, I've asked you guys to share your report and let me see how you guys are, making that analysis which you're doing week in and week out. Okay. So the point here is not to say that you're right or wrong. We all have different experiences, okay, as traders. And my experience, I try to share it. Again, I'm not going to correct you, do this is the right way, this is the wrong way. I'm just asking you counter questions to start your thinking process. Okay. So if anyone's watching this for the first time, and we usually use Elliott wave and some time analysis methods to get a time and price entire structure in the market, to understand the structure of the market. Okay. So if you're watching for the first time, then I would suggest you watch it till the end if you like it, and do let me know if you like it or not. If you like, buy above this level, ye support hai, ye resistance hai, right? Ye resistance, this support, buy above this, sell below this. If you like such videos, then this is not for you. This video will be little complicated, little detailed. Okay. We look at the market in a complete different perspective. We don't care what the FIIs, DIIs are doing, what the news comes out. It does not matter to us. Only specific news event dates are important. The outcome of the news event, like suppose CPI data or inflation data, is not important for us. Okay. Because everything for us, it's in the chart. Okay. Right. So let's begin the weekend report. How do you analyze the weekend report? First, what you must do is understand different time frames of the market. Okay. So I've always taught you one thing, important thing. There is three elements of some retail trader must master. What is it? You have to be an analyst. Okay. An analyst you have to be, then you have to be a risk manager, and then you have to be a trader. Okay. So 90%, let's say 80% of the time. Okay. 80% of the time, people spend all their time to become an analyst. 80% of the time, all the traders spend their time to be an analyst. Why? Because they think if you can decode the market, what is going to happen next, then you can make money. Yes, the idea is correct. Okay, the idea is very correct, that you have to obviously decode which side the market is going to go. Only then you will make money. That is very good. Okay. So 90%, sorry, 80% of the time, traders, sorry, the retail community focus on this analysis part only. Okay. Suppose this is a resistance breakout, retest, resistance, all that. It's fine, no problem. But to convert that analysis into a trading plan, okay, to convert that analysis into a trading plan is very, very important. Because recently, when I asked the group members, underground traders group members, to share your report and your trade plan as well. So 90%, sorry, all of them did a very good analysis job. Okay. Converting that into a trading is very little difficult. How do you trade that analysis? Okay. So it's like you're practicing in net practice, and then during the match, what you have to do. Right. They're two different things. All right. So during the live market, it's very dynamic. Your entire analysis, weekend analysis, can become super duper hit, or it'll be entirely garbage. You have to start immediately again. Okay. So that's how market throws googlies like that. All right. So now what are we going to do? We are going to see the structure. I think the structure is already discussed many times. I'll just repeat it again, because last week there was not much major movement in the market. So the first structure, we'll discuss that. So we'll do price and time analysis. Okay, let me start. Before the week, for the weekend report, what you want to do is first go to the economic calendar. So the website name is tradingeconomics.com/calendar, right? You can have a look at this. When you go here, you'll see the recent data which are going to come out, the most recent which is coming by day to day, and even time. So all countries are, all this is default. I have not changed anything. Okay. So you can see on Monday, March 11th, right? So we have some countries, Japan, Germany, Spain, France, and all that. So let's look at India. Do we have any important data coming out next week? So nothing much which will affect our market. On Tuesday, let's have a look. Okay, on Tuesday, we have inflation rate of India. Right? This is important for us. Same day evening, we have what? We have core inflation data and inflation data in the US markets. Okay. So these two are high impact news events. Okay, the data itself will not do any impact, but the big boys, the traders, right, they hedge their positions or they take new bets. Because of their movement, the market moves up and down, okay, very fast. It's not because, okay, the data is this much. Because of the traders, if the traders think, okay, this data is not important, market will not move anything. Okay, so it's all the big boys game. So big boys, if they think, they'll start placing their bets. That huge quantity, huge volume, when it will hit the market, then it will be a big movement in the market. Okay, so 13th March, do we have any important data? No. And 14th March, we have WPI, wholesale price inflation. This is also important. Then on US markets, initial jobless claims. Okay, so Thursday is also important. That is also a weekly expiry for Nifty. What else on Friday? Nothing much. Okay. So Tuesday is important for us. So Tuesday we'll mark it down. Tuesday is important for us. That is your 12th. So 12th, we have high impact news event. Okay. High impact news event. Okay. We have it noted down. Now let's get into the structure part. In the structure, what did you discuss earlier? That this is one possibility, the first possibility from, this is a 1 hour chart Nifty. So 21,137. This can be your A, B, C, D, and E leg. Okay. So this is what your ending diagonal, one of the possibilities. Okay. So for the ending diagonal, what is the only rule? Contracting ending diagonal. Again, this is contracting. We're talking about contracting ending diagonal. The only rule is your wave one. So it's not the only rule. This is the major rule. Okay. The major rule here is your wave one is greater in length than your wave three. Okay. Then your wave three is greater than wave five. So 1 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 5. Then fourth wave should break into your first wave region. So if this is the high of the first wave and this is the fourth wave, you can see it has broken into the region of the first wave. Okay. Then the other one is your wave 2. Okay. Wave 2 length should be greater than your wave 4. Yes, it's obviously, it's very clear. You can see the eye test itself. Wave 2 is greater than wave 4. So everything is matching. Now what? Okay. Yes, there are some advanced concept methods. Only those who have joined an advanced group can understand that. Advanced concepts group, right? So this is one of the possibilities. We'll keep that in mind. Okay. So right now, one of the possibilities, you can take it as an ending diagonal, right? Till where is it valid? So here the simple question is, till where is it valid? It is only valid till wave 5 is smaller than wave 3. So let's check the length. Okay. So if you see this exact length, 22,627. Okay. Let me recheck it again. Okay. So 22,627. Earlier, I don't know, I thought I was getting 631. But anyway, we'll take this level. Right now, market, as long as it is below this, okay, as long as it is below this, we can consider ending diagonal structure as valid. Okay. So your first structure is what? Ending ED. Okay. Ending diagonal from 22, 21, 137 level. Okay. So in this, what next? In this, you have fifth wave going on. Fifth wave from 21,860 level, right? That's all. I'm just making a small report note for myself. 21,860. Okay. So from 21,860, this is the fifth wave possibility. Till where is it valid? Valid till 22, 627, 628. Let's take another. Is held. Okay. Or till price is below 22,627. Okay. Till the price is below this, your ending diagonal is valid. Reason is simple. Your wave 5 cannot be greater than wave 3. As soon as this breaks, okay, 22,627, it should be 22,630 also. And last time I checked, it was 630 anyway. If this breaks, okay, you understand the idea. If it breaks, then your ending diagonal setup is not valid. Okay. So first setup is done. We understood this. What are we doing? We are seeing the higher structure possibilities, and then we'll go to a smaller structure. We'll discuss everything. But right now, this is first possibility. Next, second possibility. What is the second possibility? Second possibility, we discussed that it's possible that we are seeing a very rare, very complex triangle pattern like this. Okay. So here high is 22, 124. Here high is 22, 126. Okay, by 2 points it is higher. So yes, this is a valid triangle. You can call it a running triangle, you can call it ascending triangle, whatever people. Ascending triangle, it's actually different. Ascending triangle will have something like this pattern. Okay, previous trend is bullish. Okay, something like this. This is not exactly an ascending triangle, but it can be a running triangle if you want to call it that, no problem. But this is a very complex pattern. It does not happen often. I've only seen it once happen in the entire last year, the two on a very smaller time frame, not 15 or 5-minute chart. Entirely of 2023, I've seen it only happen once. Okay. So here it's happening. If it happens on a higher time frame, no problem, but we are ready for it. In that case, what happens is this is a end of the triangle. This is wave E of the triangle A, B, C, D, E. Okay. And then a fresh new wave has started from here. Okay. A fresh new wave has started from here. Okay. In that case, what do we know? We know that the length where it must touch. Okay. 986 points. The length of A, that is a target. So in this case, the target comes at least around your 850. Okay. 22,847. Yeah, approximately you can take 850. Okay. That is the target in case this is the correct setup. So what is the second option we have as setup? We have complex triangle from 22, 124. Okay. Complex triangle from 22, 124. Fresh impulse, or you can take fresh move, started from 21,860 level. Okay. So fresh move started from 21,860 level with what? Target as 22,847. Okay. Second setup. This is a second possibility. So for that, we'll discuss the details of inside smaller structure. We have discussed that. Right now, we are just getting a general idea of what are the possible structures for us. Okay. So you can do this every weekend. You can do it, every day also if you want to keep it updated, no problem. Obviously, some days, some market will make major moves, big moves. In that time, you'll have to update your structure. Okay. The last possibility. Last possibility is something new. Here, ABC pattern. Okay. Correction. This entire thing is one single move, A, B, C. Okay, so this is your wave 3. Let me mark it like this for you. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, then wave 5. This is your expanding diagonal. Okay, expanding diagonal. What is the rule for this? Very simple. Wave 1, it's just exact opposite to your ending diagonal, contracting diagonal, exact opposite to that. Wave 3 is big. Wave 4, wave 5 is even bigger. Okay, this is your expanding diagonal type pattern. Okay, so here, very simple, your wave 3, wave 1, wave 5. Wave 5 is the biggest, right, compared to wave 3. Then wave 3 is bigger than wave 1. In contracting diagonal, it was exact opposite. Okay, so in that case, from here, market will finish this up move here, and then it will fall till where? Minimum this high, 22,126. Minimum that level will come and be retested again. Okay, so we don't know this is going to happen, but we are going to keep it in our mind as a possibility. Okay, rare possibility, but it's possible. Then again, market will go for a new high. So that new high will be equal or greater than this length. That we'll discuss later on. For now, this point should be clear that this is not yet confirmed. This is a rare possibility. We'll keep it in mind. Okay. So third point is expanding diagonal, rare possibility. Okay, expanding diagonal from 21,137. Okay, currently where we are in? Currently in wave 3.C. Okay, so this is your wave 1, wave 2, A, 3.A, 3.B, 3.C. Okay, so this is your overall structure of the market. You have 3 different possibilities. Again, you're not sure that this third one is completely, this will only depend on later on in the market structure, but right now you're just thinking 5 steps ahead. Okay, and you're noting down these possibilities. That's why you kept this rare possibility or low probability. You can also write that. Okay, now other than this, if you have any other analysis methods, right, harmonics or whatever you do, right, you can make a separate note for that. Okay, higher time frame. Okay, higher time frame analysis, if you're doing, if you have any other methods, right, you can note all of them down like this in your report. This is the first note. Now what we're going to do is we are going to do a smaller time frame. Let's go to 15-minute plus 5-minute time frame. Okay, this is our next section, very important. Now in your 15-minute time frame, from 21,860 level, okay, it's very clear that for us this is an impulsive structure. From 21,860, it is clear impulse structure for us. Okay, this can be your wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, or this can be 3.4 and 3.5. Okay, 3.4 or wave 4, 3.5 or wave 5. So in the group, what did I tell you? I told you this is a fifth wave. It can be either 3.5, 5 also. Okay, this is a fifth wave. Why are we considering this as a fifth wave? Why are we not taking this as wave 1, wave 2 and fast move wave 3? Because so far right now, the strength of the market moving upwards is very, very less. Okay, strength of the market moving upwards is very, very less. In an impulsive move, if it's a wave 3, right, if it's wave 3 in the market anywhere, this is where your big boys, they buy. Okay, this is where the big boys buy in the market to play a very trending big move. From here they start buying. So this move is usually very fast. Okay, and it comes in gaps very fast. Okay, usually a previous trend ends here. Okay, previous trend, bearish trend ends here. But right now, if you're seeing, the entire market is not in a bearish trend, it's in a higher high, higher lows move continuously. Okay, it's already in a bullish trend. Okay, a triangle signifies, or any choppiness in the market like this, it signifies distribution. Right now from the chart, we are thinking that this is a possible wave 5. It can easily convert into wave 3 if market gaps up and goes up fast. Okay, right now at this stage we are not sure whether it's wave 3. Most likely this is a fifth wave. Again, there are some concepts which I cannot share in public platform, right? Only the advanced concept people can understand this. So from that conclusion, I'm telling you this is a possible wave 5. Okay, some degree, smaller degree or higher degree. Okay, so right now, if that is the case, till where can this wave go? Till where can this wave go? So before that, we'll take a note. So from 21,860. Okay, so from 21,860, impulse move currently in wave, currently in a wave 5. Okay, we have noted that down. 15-minute chart. Here, length of the wave. Okay, it can go all the way up to 22,698 and also up to here, but most likely in most cases it will not break your 22,827 level. But in your ascending triangle conclusion, what did we have? We had a minimum target of 847. Okay, so right now, if the market breaks, so we are in a fifth wave. Okay, we are in a fifth wave. If the market goes higher like this from here, and it does not cross your 627 level or 28, right, and finishes this fifth wave. Okay, and it finishes this fifth wave, it is a simple short opportunity. Why? Because your ending diagonal contracting is active, still active. Okay, so you're mixing what? Higher time frame price structure with lower time frame price structure. When will your expanding get active? When market will come down, but again will start a new journey higher. Okay, that is a different case, we'll discuss that later. Right now at this stage, if the market is, this is your 3.5 wave, market will come down for wave 4, then again we'll go back for wave 5. Okay, if this is only 1, 2, 3, fourth wave here, and this is your fifth wave, the higher degree fifth wave, it is over, market will come down falling like this. Obviously it won't come in a straight line, it can come in a zigzag pattern also. Okay, this is the plan only for next week. Okay, plan only for next week. So right now in your 15 to 5-minute chart, what you're going to write is, on a 15-minute chart, you can see it is currently in a fifth wave. Now you go to a 5-minute chart. In a 5-minute chart, you analyze this part. Okay, you analyze this structure now. Impulsive move here like this. So here, what are you looking for? You're looking for a dip. Okay, this is an ABC structure type pattern. This is going back up, this is coming back down. Is this a flat structure in the market? So usually what happens after a market moves higher, if it creates a flat structure, it is most likely to go up again. Okay, so what is the guarantee that this is a flat structure? You have no guarantee, you have to wait till the market completes this move. It can even come down low like this. Okay, pole and flag type pattern. Okay, so either way, after a bullish move, if the market is pausing or correcting, it is most likely to make a new high again. Okay, so in that case, what we do is we usually measure 38 to 50% of the entire range to get us a conclusion of wave 4 or some possibility. You take this as wave 4, or you can take the previous swing. Let's take it from here, right? And we can also measure 1x target of ABC. If this is your ABC pattern, we can take 1x target for that also. That will also come here around 22,430 or 22,400. Okay, so on a 5-minute chart, you're looking for 22,430 to 400 level. Okay, obviously your 50% zone is 390. So let's take 22,390 to 22,430 level. From here, from this zone, let me mark it. Right. So from this zone, if on Monday price comes down, right, you can look for a target on the upside. Why? Because you know this is the structure, right? You can target this swing high. You can target 100 to 150 points move in the market. Okay, so on a 5-minute chart, what is your analysis? Five-minute chart. If 22,390 to 22,430 zone acts as support. Why should it act as support? A, B, C structure, right? Move price will go higher, can go up for 100 to 150 points move, right? So what have you done? Basically, you have made a small plan, a small report for yourself to target this. Okay, so you have made a higher time frame, a lower time frame, everything. Okay, now the only thing left for you is to watch the price as it does. Imagine it gaps up and goes itself directly. What then? If it gaps up directly and goes, it's simple that on a 5-minute chart, a correction will come. Okay, so when this is over, market will do this and a correction will come in the market. Okay, so this is only a 3.4. Then a fourth will come and a 5. So in both cases, market either will first go higher and come lower, or directly go lower then go higher. Okay, this is the guarantee you have on a 5-minute chart. So when you combine all this with what your higher time frame, lower time frame, everything, then you know what exactly structure is happening. So now the important part, this is your analysis. You have made what you're looking for in the market for next 2 days. All this is done. The next part is very simple: time analysis. Okay, time analysis. Why are we doing time analysis? I have already taught you many times. This chart itself, you cannot do anything without time. Everything is the time is the major part of it. So for as per our time analysis, 13th and 14th is important for us, right? So 13th and 14th is important for us. So what is happening before that, right? So what is happening in the price before that will tell us. So usually in a normal cycle, we have swing low, then up. Okay, in inverted cycle, inversion will have swing high. Okay, this time analysis you can do many astro, GAN, numerology, whatever you want to do you can do, but it is a very important component of your weekend report. right? So those who have studied advanced concepts, you can calculate the kill zones. Those who have studied time pivots, you can calculate pivots, anything. But with you must always have something of time analysis in your report. Okay, time will only tell you आगे का क्या, इसका time आ गया है, something like that. Okay, so time is very very important. You must understand it. So this is a little bit tedious process. It is not, let's say, yeah, you see many analysts buy above this level, SL here, entry here, exit here. That is premature, so amateur thinking. Okay, I'll be blunt here. I'll be very honest with you. I'm telling you because I have gone through that phase. Okay, that will not get you anywhere if you're thinking of buying and selling. Like I told you before, there's three roles you must play: analyst role, risk manager role. Again, this is only dependent on your capital size, right? And then trader role. 90% people, sorry, 80% people, they strive to be good analysts. Okay, the other people, those who don't focus on analysis, they directly go for trading. Give me level, give me buy signal, give me where to sell, where to buy, kab tak buy hoga, kab tak sell. Those who put effort in trading, those who try to learn some method, 80% of them will go for being a good analyst. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to convert all this, right? We are going to convert all this into a trading plan. Okay, we have to convert all this into a trading plan. So how will you make a trading plan for this? Very simple. What are you looking for? Now you're combining what? You're combining your time and price. So time, 13th and 14th is important. Before that, you're looking for what? Either a dip in the market and to play 100 points, 150 points up move. So in that case, what you're going to do, you're going to look for, so no matter what is your higher time frame structure, you have to look at the lower time frame also, right? This is how we combine multiple time frame analysis, right? So what am I doing? I'm looking for a long opportunity. Now this is a tricky part. What is the trick here is that, many times you have done the analysis, market behaves exactly as per the analysis, but you did not make any money. खुद का पोजीशन में नेगेटिव है, आपका एनालिसिस बिल्कुल सही है, एग्जैक्ट वर्क करता है ना? ऐसे क्यों होता है? Like I told you before, some people are born natural good analysts, some people are born good traders. Okay, multi-million dollar hedge funds companies, they pay only analysts. You don't have to trade, just give me the analysis. We have traders, they will execute the trade. Okay, based on the analysis they see in the market, some reactions. If the market is dynamic, suddenly a fall comes and your analysis is not up to the mark, they will adapt to their own strategies. Okay, so one more thing I'll discuss here is, in case of a fall, very simple, you have to measure what, like I've taught you, 38 to 50% zone. That is the zone of continuation of the previous swing. So as long as this zone keeps bouncing from here, price keeps bouncing from here, it is an uptrend. Okay, so wave 5, we know what are the other possibilities. Wave 5, this is an impulsive move. Second possibility of wave 5 is it can come in diagonal type pattern also. So if in case market does this suddenly, don't be surprised. Okay, because this is wave 5 pattern. Wave 5 can do this also. Okay, it can be ending diagonal also. So let me mention it in the report. Wave 5 can be impulse or diagonal. So right now for us, it looks like an impulse. So we are taking that as an impulse. Okay, so that is very simple now. Now trade plan. What are you looking for? You're looking to go long if go long now with what? Okay, via options or futures. Okay, there is no correct method of doing it. Remember this, there is no correct method of doing this. Some people like options buying, some people like futures, some people like options selling. It's up to you. But sometimes in the market, there are chances where, there will be sometimes some things are good, right? Here, suppose in this trending move, since it is a very small trending move, you can choose any of the three, no problem. But sometimes when this kind of market comes, choppiness in the market comes, option selling is preferred. Okay. So the ability to do all three, option buying, option selling, or futures buying, is up to you. Some people don't have the capital. That is not a problem. So you must first, ask yourself, what is your style? Okay, what is your style? You can do all three, or my capital allows me to do only option buying. My capital allows me to do everything, all three. Which is the best method for me? The best method for you is only after you have tried it enough. Okay, only then you will understand. So what I have done, I have taught you guys my style. I have conservative approach, which is option selling. Okay, then I have semi aggressive. Okay, semi aggressive meaning I do both option selling plus option buying in the same direction. Okay, suppose I'm thinking market will bounce from here, at the same time I'll do option buying and option selling both. Okay, that is semi aggressive. What is the last one? The last one is aggressive completely. I'll go with futures or option buying purely. Why? Because I want to catch a trending move. I want to be aggressive in that direction. Okay, this is how I made this plan for myself. You can also use it for yourself, but again, it is not like it is compulsory. It's up to you how you want to navigate the market. Okay, this is how I plan. So going long via futures or options. So here, what I will do is, if my plan moves like this, I will go long via options selling. Okay, so that is shorting. Short PE. Right now, again, basic knowledge, you can take BE, you can take far out of the money or out of the money. That's up to you how you plan it. But I'll short PE. I don't want to discuss strike price and all that, because obviously there can be some people who have not have some experience in option selling, and they might copy it, and they don't know how to manage the positions, all that. So my preference is I don't share the strike price, what I'm doing exactly. I just tell my plan. Okay, this is one option I have, going long via option selling. Next plan I have, in case of volatility, I'll do what? Intraday till 12th EOD. Okay, so 13th and 14th is an important date for us as per time. So I'll do only intraday if I think the market is a little volatile. Okay, if the market is a little volatile, I'll plan for intraday till 12th EOD and see on 12th evening what is the price structure. If or not, I can create a positional move till then. So this is all, guys, a small weekend report you can make for yourself every week, right? It's what are the components, a higher time frame structures, what are the possibilities, what is happening in the lower time frame. You can pause the video, watch it again, it's up to you. And then something, you have to have something of a time analysis. Okay, time analysis, you can do GAN, Astro, or whatever you want to do. But again, some people get it right, some people get it wrong. So again, it's very complicated, deep process. So I have time pivots group members, I have your advanced concept group members. They know what to do for themselves. So right, this weekend report is mostly for them, right? How they can make a plan for themselves. So you don't, for the members, I'm telling you, you don't have to make 10 charts, send me 10 charts, bullish scenario, bearish scenario. This is a small report, concise report, simple report, right? I'm not asking you, you don't have to worry about being right and wrong. Okay, what you must aim to do is build this report, try it out in the market 4 or 5 weeks. You're in the group, right? You're permanently in the group members. So make this report, share it with me. You don't have to share it every weekend also, till you understand your own method for yourself. Okay, till you understand, yes, this is enough for me, I can do I can solve the market, I can make money from the market next week. Okay, till then, see what happens is confidence level. Okay, first report banaya, plan banaya, agle hafte phus. Okay, no problem. 90% what happens is your moral confidence goes down. अरे मैं क्यों करूं, है, पैसे नहीं बन रहा तो मैं क्यों करूं इसे. So you have to overcome that. You have to again do it. So like I said, I take for any research method or research project 45 days forward testing minimum. So in this 45 days or 45 sessions, I must have a positive outcome. Okay, positive outcome मतलब minimum 50 to 60%, 50 to 60% positive result. Okay, let's say risk reward is 1:2. You know, I already given you example of intraday time cycles, right? So using that itself, we had a very good week last week, 400 points in 3 days, right? So all that is again depend on market structure. So everything comes back down to one single thing: the YouTube Elliott Way master course, which I've shared. It's completely free. It's the most important fundamental basic for you to understand market structure, right? Uske baad you go to advanced concepts. You can pick exact level, you can forecast, catch reversals, all that comes later on the stage. Your important foundation is the YouTube course, right? Without that, forget trading. You go by subscriptions, you go by tips provider. It's up to you how you want to manage. Trust me, there will come a time where all these tipsters, all these people will get, big jhatka from the market. Okay, so my only prayer, or my request to you guys is focus on your self running. I'll help you as much as I can. I also have some commitments. You already know that I've shared it with you, right? So everything I'm sharing here is for your benefit. Please do understand that and plan your trading journey very, very sharply, in a way that there is no chance for you to fail in this. Okay, you learn this skill, you can teach it to your generations, your children, they will teach it to their children, right? So you don't have to worry about making money. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you in another video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. Just give me a thumbs up or something in the comment section कि हाँ भाई ये काम अच्छा है, ये report अच्छा है, weekend report का. Okay, I'll see you in another video guys. Till then, be safe.